Ramen is a Japanese noodle soup that usually takes all day to cook, but not this one. My caramelized pork ramen is quick and easy enough to do even on a Tuesday night. I'm using the pork shoulder for this dish. As it cooks low and slow, that meat is just gonna fall off the bone. And all I did was sear this up with a little salt and pepper, but I mean, look at the color on this. This is one tasty piece of pork. This dish is all about big, bold flavors, which is why I'm starting off with a ton of fresh garlic and nice spicy ginger. The moment that hits the oil, wow, the smell of that golden garlic is heavenly. Time for that pork to jump back in. Now, I got a little chicken stock right here, simmering up, ready for me. In it goes. And I've got a little trilogy here of flavor bombs, like I like to call them. Soy sauce for some nice saltiness, a little mirin, and last but never least, a little chili garlic sauce for some heat. And I love that flavor of dried mushrooms in this. These are just like dried herbs. They're super compacted flavor. And normally I would put these into some liquid to just liven them up a little bit, but I've got that nice broth simmering away. It's gonna be perfect for this. Pressure's on. This smells so nice. I love that ginger and garlic in there. And be careful because this pork is literally falling apart. Oh, look how tender and juicy that is. Now, I want this to simmer up just a little, and I'm adding in some sesame oil to give that finishing touch. Time to shred that pork. The only thing that beats slow-cooked pork is caramelized slow-cooked pork. Now, I want to melt up just a little brown sugar. And I love brown sugar for this because it's going to add that nice sweetness and color. But I need somewhere for it to melt in, so just a splash of water helps that out. Look at how this turns into a rich, dark syrup. And then the pork joins the fun. Ramen is just like fresh pasta. It only takes a couple minutes to cook up. Isn't this so much fun? In our house, we have ramen soup parties. We invite a bunch of friends or family over, and we put out all the ingredients like this, and everybody builds their own. Noodles first. Here's my favorite part, adding little piles of goodness all over. The sweet caramelized pork, the classic soft-boiled eggs, crunchy green onions, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. These bowls are just so impressive. Look at all those colors on there. Alrighty, my favorite part. That pork is almost a little crispy. It was so worth caramelizing it. It's sweet, and even a little smoky. I gotta try that broth though. It literally is a flavor bomb. That garlic, the ginger, and a little bit of sesame oil. Yeah, that's what made the difference. This is the fastest restaurant-worthy ramen you'll ever have.